All right, so here's what we got going on today. We got to fly down to Kodo, which is Odessa, Schleiermacher, pick up our buddy's survey gear and mount that to our wing, fly back to Hobbs, K-Hob, and then we'll be ready to go fly and do some work on Monday, because the Odessa airplane is down for its annual inspection, so they can't do any work. And our pod, with all of our instruments and stuff, is over in California. And that's getting its quarterly refurbishment, repair, update, that kind of stuff. So got an airplane out of service, got an airplane with no pod, so just gonna fly down there, combine, and have one functional airplane. So that way we can get back to work, get back to flying. I've had the entire week off, which is nice. Hit the mountains, did some hiking with my dog. Give me a high five. Good high five, let's keep going. All right, let's go. Man, Brenda's killing it. Can't let my puppy whip my ass on this trail. We made it! Woo! And realized how out of shape I am. So gotta get that cardio back up. And we're 4,000 feet above sea level here, so hopefully it comes back fast. So here's what we got going on. All right, so here's how we do it. We've got ForeFlight going on, which in my opinion is the best tablet software because it gives you new perspectives. It's not just a redundancy for your GPS. It it lets you do all sorts of stuff. Some custom waypoints. It's all drag and drop, super easy. Just can't get much simpler than that. So here's how you do it. Starting point, K-Hob. Next point, Kodo. Altitude, probably be doing this at and why not? We'll get some altitude. Let's go up to 7,500 feet. And there we go. Direct. Probably do $110 just to keep it cruising and not be burning a crazy amount of fuel, build a little time. It'll be good stuff. So looks like our track is 62 nautical miles. Got 2 knots of headwind, and it'll probably take us about 45 minutes to get there. We're gonna get flight following, so they may give us some diversions or who knows what. So anyways, ballpark is 45 minutes, and we're gonna carry 45 minutes spare fuel as usual in our planning. But we're heading out of here with full tanks, and that's about 6.5 hours. So yeah, we're pretty good to go. Let's see what Kodo's winds are at. So right now, it looks like the winds are 070, 12 knots, gusting to 21, and it should calm down by a little more by the time we get there. Yeah, it looks like so it's 6:30 right now, their time. 8 o'clock, it'll be 080 at 10 knots. That's basically calm. So no big deal. Should be a good time. Flying 182, not turbocharged, but plenty of power. It's a little hotter than standard. We're at 30.21. Density altitude is 4,800. It's only, it's 1,200 feet more than the airport's at. So no big deal. Should be a nice day of flying. Let's go do it. Clear prop.
Lehigh County traffic, Skylane 759 Quebec Hotel, taking off runway 03 for a VFR departure to the southeast. Lehigh County traffic. Wheels on the floor, airspeed's alive. Cross and correction. And rotate. Climb at 80, slowly retract the flaps. Add a little trim. Alright, and there's 500 feet above the deck. Lee County traffic, Skylane 759 Quebec Hotels on the upwind, runway 03, making a right turn out to the southeast, Lee County. Schlemeyer traffic, Skylane 759 Quebec Hotel, joining midfield left downwind, runway 02, Odessa Schlemeyer. Odessa Schlemeyer, Skylane 759 Quebec Hotel, turning left base, runway 02, Odessa Schlemeyer. Odessa Schlemeyer, Skylane 759 Quebec Hotel, short final, runway 02, Odessa Schlemeyer.
Alright, thanks for hanging out. I will catch you all next week on the next video, and in the meantime, fly safe.